Top 5 things to look for in your auto insurance. Let's go. Numero uno, limits. Let's take a look down here at the section that says limits/deductibles. That means if you were to get into a crash and hurt someone, it would pay $100,000 per person max, $300,000 per accident max. This is the minimum I would recommend for anyone who owns a home or has a family. But if you're a young guy still living at home like me, you could get away with 50, 100, although I still recommend more. Numero dos, coverages. Coverages are on the left as you see. It will list all the coverages. Now make sure you have everything that you want in your coverages. For example, this policy is including both comprehensive and collision. Now, if you have an older car that's just a beater, a lot of times people do not include collision because, hey, if you get in an accident, it's going to be totaled. You don't need collision. One very important coverage to have is the uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. That's where if you get in an accident and the other driver does not have insurance, you could still file a claim. One thing you don't see on this policy is glass coverage. That's up to you. The next thing you want to look at is term. Auto policies are sold on either a 6-month or 12-month basis. So if you get something that looks too good to be true, the policy is $500, it might be because it's on a 6-month basis. So make sure you're double checking the policy term before you sign anything. Numero cuatro, premium. Yes, premium is all the way down at number 4. You gotta make sure the other things are in order before you're looking at price. Last but not least, discounts. Some of the common discounts are good student discount, multiple car discount, good driver discount, just to name a few. There are also things you could do depending on the carrier to lower the price of the policy. For example, Travelers offers IntelliDrive. It's basically an app, you put it on your phone. You only need it on there for the first 90 days. It tracks your driving, the hard braking, the hard acceleration. As long as you're not doing anything too crazy, you have that on there for 90 days. It shows that you're a good driver by their metrics. You could take it off your phone and it still applies a discount to your policy. Now you know what to look for in your auto policy. And if you're in Connecticut, hit me up, shoot me a text, shoot me a DM. I'll hook you up.